Hi everyone, how are you all doing today? I hope you're all well, hope you're having a great day. I'm Melanie, I do food hauls and B&M hauls and random bits and pieces. So I did go to B&M today and I spent $25.85, and I'll tell you right now, I didn't actually really go for anything. True story. I did try and find a kitchen scale when I was in there, but that was literally after I'd got everything that I'm about to show you, and they didn't actually have any, not that I could see, but you know, who knows if they do or don't, because there's Christmas stuff everywhere. So the first thing I got is the Vanish Oxy Action. I nearly said accident then. It's the 440 or 80 gram tub. It's not the big one. I saw it on the way in. There was like a cleaning laundry section, and this was $3.49. It's 470 grams. Now I have been getting the little cheap one, which does the job. This is definitely better, but I don't want to pay full price for it. I don't know how much this is. I just got it just to have it for a change because I do actually prefer it. I got the Shore Bright Bouquet in XXL. I have been using this. I've got it in my main bathroom, and if I go in and like sometimes I might go on a dog walk and come home and like do a quick armpit wash and put this on, or I might come in and I might not have sweat, or I might be going out and I might just be like, oh, I'll just whack this on. I do use a different Shore deodorant, and there's one by Dove that I like, but this is super affordable, and I can't believe that this was only $2.49, so it's the biggest one I've had so far. I got and I'm sorry about the lighting, it's only about 4 o'clock, but it's dark clouds all day. I do have the kitchen light on, but it's not helping much. The Lucozade Energy Blue Burst, a Dr Pepper, which I was hoping to drink tonight, so I need to get that in the fridge. It's just a normal one, not a zero. I mean, I'm not going to run out anytime soon. I probably will open this straight away because of the scent, which is apple and cinnamon. I don't think elbow grease is the best washing up liquid on the planet. Like, I prefer Fairy, especially Fairy Platinum. But I like the scent of this. I actually haven't smelt it, but I'm presuming it smells good. They also had a multi-purpose spray in the same scent. But at the moment, I have quite a lot of Fabulosa stuff that I got sent, and I'm trying to use some of that up. So if I do like the smell of this, I might get it. I got a Cafito Latte Caramel, Macchiato Caramel. Like I said, this is really good. If you've watched my other videos, I do rave about that. Chicken dumbbells for the husky. I got us some by the Good Boy brand, maybe on Tuesday or Thursday. I only filmed Thursdays. I didn't film Tuesday, and they're not as good. You can tell when you get them out, they're nothing like these. These are only £2, and she really likes them. I got some Where's Original Caramel Popcorn. I've had one of these before, and I don't know if it was caramel or another one, but I got it off a small business who specialise in imported American snacks and other world ones, but the majority ones are American, and I'm pretty sure I paid $4.50 for it. Now this is readily available in quite a few shops. It's only $2.50, but I can't remember if I had the caramel one or a different flavour, but this was actually the last one on the shelf. 4 Cadbury Delights in salted caramel. If you know, you know I'm going to get that every time I see it. If you watched my... oh, that's really bad lighting there. I mean, it's not great lighting here. If you watched my last B&M haul, which is on here if you want to take a look, I said I spotted this Christmas mug, and I said I looked through all the letters, but they didn't have an M. There was only a few that I couldn't see that were out of the way that I couldn't reach, but this was right at the front. That's actually gold. It's not showing as gold. I nearly knocked it off them. And as soon as I saw it today, even though I'm not really doing Christmassy stuff yet, I got it because I thought, knowing my luck, when I want it, they won't have it, or they won't have an M. So I got that. It is a sizable cup. It's plain on the back. It's not super heavy. It's not light, obviously, because it is a really big mug. Like, it is big. It's got the candy cane design on the side, and I like that it's not like too in your face. You know, some Christmas mugs, like, it'll be like very in your face. This is like more subtle. Like, it's got a garland, some bows, candy cane, gingerbread. That's it, really. And it's got an M for Melanie, so that's why I was drawn to that one. I I got these. I got some in Tesco a little while ago, and they're long, well, that length, but they've not got a curve to them, and I find it hard to use them. Like, I can use them near the end, but when I'm trying to use them up there, it's really difficult. So I've picked these up hoping that they're better, because I don't like the other ones. Panasonic. I got, what's it called? What is it actually called? Do you know those electric frother things? It was in my last B&M haul. Put 2 of these in, didn't work. Put 2 more in, didn't work. So I thought, is it the batteries? I know they're new, so I'm going to try these. If not, then B&M sold me a dodgy frother thing. I don't know what it's called. These were only £1, but I think the ones I was trying to put in were little ones, and I'm sure the little ones actually worked, but it could be just the frother. I got her the Christmas ones last time. I don't know if it was last week or the week before. She actually really liked them. These were only a pack of 4, but she has some Asda dental chews that I got when I went to Asda yesterday. But I know she likes these. I just wish they'd do a 7-pack. I don't mind paying more to get the 7. Oh, I didn't look at what the flavour was. Peanut, mint and cranberry. I'm trying to get a stuff that doesn't have peanut butter in because it has an effect on her. But why can't they do them in 7-packs? And then the final thing I believe I got, because I can't see anything else, but who knows with me, I got the Marvellous Creations because it's £2.9 there and it's about £2.70 everywhere else. And that is everything that I got from B&M. Any questions, let me know. If you're new here, please subscribe and have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching.